Good morning, my dear students. Today we will do lesson number 11, How Our Villages Are Run. In this chapter, you will come to know how the villages are run by the government. To govern a country means to run it and to look after its people. This is the duty of a government, to look after its public, its people. The people who run a country form its government. Our country is run by the central government. Always keep in mind that our country is run by the central government. It looks after things like the armed forces and the railways, but our country is very large and has more than a billion people. The central government cannot look after all the needs of so many people, so each state has its own government, which looks after things like hospitals, electric supply, and law and order, that is, police service. But every state has hundreds of villages and towns. It is not possible for the state government to know what the people of every village and town need. That is why villages and towns have their own local government. Gram Panchayat. The local government of a village is called a Gram Panchayat. In the past, a panchayat used to be a group of 5 village elders who decided matters in the village. These panchayat, which consist of 5 elder people from the village only, they used to take decision. Okay, for every problem they only had to take out the solution, and their decision was the final decision. Now, panchayats usually have more than 5 members. At least 1/3 of the members have to be women. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch, Pradhan, or Mukhiya. How a Gram Panchayat is formed? Every large village or a group of small villages has a Gram Sabha. Villagers who are adults, that is, who is 18 years old or older than 18, are members of the Gram Sabha. They meet to discuss village matters. They are the ones who elect, means who choose the members of the Gram Panchayat. They also elect the Sarpanch. For elections, the Gram Panchayat's area is divided into a number of smaller areas. The people in each area vote to elect a member of the Panchayat. To vote means to indicate one's choice in an election. To do this, each voter is given a piece of paper with a list of the people who want to be elected from that area. This paper is called ballot. Each voter marks his or her choice and drops the paper into a box. The box is called the ballot box. In some places, a voting machine is used instead of paper ballots. At the end of voting, the votes are counted. Whoever gets the largest number of votes wins. The members of a Gram Panchayat are chosen for 5 years. Elections are held again after that. That means the villagers vote again to choose a new Panchayat. Now, what a Gram Panchayat does? The Gram Panchayat looks after the needs of the people of the village. It does this with the help of the people. It helps the villagers get water, which is most important for us. For this, it set up tube wells, has wells and tanks dug, and also looks after these. It tries to keep the village clean, as cleanliness is also very important to stay away from the diseases. It helps to set up and run health centers in the village. Many people in our country are illiterate. Illiterate here means that some people are not educated. That means they cannot read and write. To teach the villagers to read and write, the Gram Panchayat may set up and run a primary school for children and an adult education center where adults can study after work. The Gram Panchayat gets the villagers together to build roads and buildings. It helps farmers get seeds and fertilizers. Now, these fertilizers is a type of medicine. Okay, it's a chemicals that are mixed with the soil to help plants grow. In villages which have electricity, the Gram Panchayat looks after street lighting. The Gram Panchayat tries to settle fights between villagers. It also keeps a list of the babies who are born and the people who die in the village. This helps the government know about the population, that is, number of people of the village, of that particular village. From where does the Gram Panchayat get money to do all this work? It gets money from the state government. It also gets money from taxes, which we people give on houses, shops, and fairs in the village. A tax is the money people pay to the local, state, or central government. The Gram Panchayat gets money from fees too. When the villagers sell things like land and cattle, they pay a fee to the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Sabha checks how the Gram Panchayat spends its money.